Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make ranch dressing using some of Pampered Chef's seasonings and of course Pampered Chef products. If you see anything in this video that you'd like to purchase, I would love the opportunity to be your consultant. You can click the shop button from any of the pages that you happen to follow me on. If you're not a member of my recipe community, I hope you'll go to theflipflopchef.com, click the button at the top, and you'll have access to thousands of recipes and a weekly giveaway. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button while you're here, but let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using our small mixing bowl, our small batter bowl to mix up this salad dressing. So I'm going to zoom in, give you guys a closer look so that you can see exactly what I'm doing here. So the small batter bowl comes with a plastic lid for storage, so you can actually make this dressing and store it in the same container. So we're going to start off with our mayonnaise. So I have a half a cup of mayonnaise measured out here in our mini measure-all cup. The total size of this is 1 cup, so you can measure in, let's see, I'll just cheat and tell you, cups, tablespoons, teaspoons, and milliliters. So you can measure in any unit that you'd like. So I'm going to measure out a half a cup, and I love this because you just pull the plunger down to the measurement you need, and then you just press this. It scrapes off the sides. You're just going to take a scraper and scrape that off. Check this out. Now to clean this, you're going to push in the middle there, pop these 2 pieces out, and this goes, this piece can go in the dishwasher, but this needs to be hand washed. I just hand wash all the pieces just to be on the safe side. So half a cup of mayonnaise, have another measure-all. This is the same size, it's just a different color because we restyled it a little bit. So they work exactly the same. 1/4 cup of sour cream, press that in, scrape it off. And then we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of milk. The last time I made this, I did a half a cup of milk, and I think I wanted it a little thicker, so I'm starting with a 1/4 cup today. If it ends up being too thick, then I'll add a little bit more. We're gonna add some lemon juice. So I'm gonna cut a lemon in half, and I'm gonna take our juicer. And the cool thing about the juicer is you have 2 tools here. So this is the juicer. When you juice this, all of the juice goes down into the container. Or if you needed to zest your citrus fruit, you can zest right into the container. So I'm not gonna zest this lemon because I don't really want a lemon flavor, but I do wanna put some lemon in the recipe. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'll start with 1 lemon and see if that's enough. I'm gonna measure this in our easy read mini measure-all. Look at that, 1 tablespoon perfectly. So I'll pour that in my bowl. Then we're gonna add our seasonings, and I'll save the other lemon half for something else. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of Pampered Chef's ranch seasoning mix. So if you have a recipe that calls for a packet of ranch dressing that you buy at the grocery store, you can use 2 to 3 tablespoons of Pampered Chef's ranch mix. I usually use 2. That seems to be a good ratio to compare. And then we're gonna add a heaping teaspoon of Pampered Chef's all-purpose dill mix. You could leave the dill mix out, but I have found this really adds the flavor that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna use my whisk to whisk this together. And like I said, you can store it in this container, or you can store it in a smaller container if you like. So we're gonna use the small whisk this together. This smells so good. Every time I make this, I feel like I need to make chicken wings to go along with it, because when I eat my hot wings, I like them dipped in ranch. All right, so that's it. Super quick, super easy. Ranch dressing made with ingredients you probably already have at home, plus some Pampered Chef seasoning. So you have the ranch seasoning and the all-purpose dill mix in this dressing recipe. If you want to leave the dill out, you can. I just like the extra flavor that adds. This recipe is in my recipe community, which you can find by going to theflipflopchef.com. Click the button at the top to access thousands of other recipes and also my weekly giveaway. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I have for you today, but I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.